provides the ultimate outdoor power equipment. The powerful 40-volt lithium-ion battery is the industry's best and powers over 25 tools. The 40-volt, 20-inch cordless mower is ideal to cover all aspects of your yard. The instant electric start gets you going every time you go to work. The mower uses a brushless motor for ultimate power, performance, and durability. The dual port allows you to have an additional battery ready, so you don't have to stop working. Save 95% in operating costs otherwise spent on gas. Vertical storage helps save up to 70% on storage space. With the convenient height adjustment lever, choose between 7 different positions to get that perfect cut. Cover all aspects of your yard with the 3-in-1 grass bag, Side Discharge, or mulching versatility. The 40-volt, 20-inch cordless mower. No cords, no gas, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.